Yeah, so we were enjoying the warmer than normal temperatures today, but I guess maybe not a great thing necessarily.
In the grand scheme of things, less than ideal for us. But you know, when Mother Nature throws us one or two our way, I don't think it's too bad to enjoy just for a single day.
It's pretty nice outside.
We'll take it for November.
Yes.
Yeah, hey, no, and we are still holding on to those sunny skies after daytime high temperatures did sit nearly 10 degrees above where we typically should be for the start of November. 56 is that average temperature as the bright blue sunny skies have once again found their way back into much of the Pacific Northwest, making for a truly spectacular day to get out and about and soak up the sunshine because, again, this is not something we always get to enjoy in the month of November, as our current temperatures are still holding steady anywhere from the upper 50s out towards Hillsborough to the low 60s for us up and down the I-5 corridor. See much of the same along the shoreline with those sunny skies. But the clouds, they're starting to take aim at much of the Pacific Northwest. That will in turn help to cool us down and bring back the chance of rain as we work our way towards the weekend. But for the rest of this evening, expecting to see those increasing clouds as temperatures start to slide back into the mid-40s. But the clouds acting a bit like a blanket for us, helping to trap in the warmth that we've worked so hard to build up for the afternoon hours today. Along with this ridge of high pressure, the culprit for the drier, warmer and sunnier weather we've been dealing with, as our friends out towards the Four Corners states are actually dealing with cold and snowy conditions for the start of November, which is typical for the Rocky Mountain states as we prepare for more typical weather here at home, expecting cooler and wetter showers to potentially roll their way back into our area for the second half of the day Saturday. But you'll notice that this trough, a cool pocket of air, dives its way further to the south, eventually working its way into western Oregon and southwest Washington. That will bring us back the chance for persistent widespread rain and bring those temperatures back down to where they should be for this time of year in the mid-50s. We'll time it out here with the futurecast, expecting to see those cloudy skies take us all the way into the start of the day on Friday. That will continue into Friday afternoon, but the note is we stay dry for tomorrow, and temperatures, thanks to a bit of an easterly breeze, also on the mild side. As you wake up on Saturday, staying dry through the I-5 corridor, still mild before this front starts to swing its way through our area. Some of the first few raindrops falling along the Willamette Valley after lunchtime, right around 2 to 3 o'clock. As our rain gauges now all the way through Sunday evening, expecting to fill up close to about 1/4 of an inch. Now, this is not going to be a big snow maker for us. However, we will see those snow elevation levels dip down to about 5,000 feet Saturday night into Sunday, only piling up maybe 1 inch to 2 to maybe 3 inches above about 6,000 feet, as the snow is already starting to begin to melt on Oregon's highest peak as we sit above the freezing mark by 10 degrees at 42 at this point in time. But looking at the historical data for Timberline Lodge, we are up by several inches of snowfall. On average for the month of November, we should be right around 14 inches, but right now on the ground, about 22 inches. As far as tonight goes, though, here in the city, 44 degrees is our expected low. Again, that cloud coverage acting a bit like a blanket for us. Increasing clouds tomorrow. Highs still holding steady in the low 60s, above average within the southeasterly breeze at about 3 to 5. 7-day forecast. There you go. The return of the wet weather for this weekend. Again, it doesn't get ramped up until later in the day Saturday. It's not until the evening hours that we start to see it become a little bit more persistent. That will take us into a soggy Veterans Day as those daytime highs fall back into the mid-50s and keeping that rain shower potential all the way through the week's end as temperatures stabilize in the mid-50s. Again, where we should be for this time of year. So the sunshine we're enjoying right now, enjoy it while it lasts.
As it goes down.
As it goes
behind
down.
us.
4:15.
Womp womp.
Yeah.
Thanks, Josh.
Well, move